Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best battery jumper cables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the heavy-duty jumper battery cables. These heavy-duty 1-gauge 25 feet jumper wires prove to be of great assistance for awaking your car's jumper battery. These battery cables are capable to withstand instant 1500 A capacity electricity. Thus, there will be no hassles while connecting them to your trucks, SUVs, cars, and vans. In the making of these jumper battery cables, there is the use of qualified material, i.e. the interior 150 strands of copper-clad aluminum wires. In addition, these wires are highly conductive and durable under the great power of electricity. The external rubber jackets make sure there are excellent insulation and safety. The pairs of toggle clamps are included for making a quick connection. Moving on at number 4, we have the Energizer 1-gauge 800A permanent installation kit. This installation kit consists of the 1-gauge 30 feet booster battery jumper cables. These included cables are quick to connect and very useful during emergency. Belonging from the Energizer Professional series, these heavy-duty jumper cables are suitable for all vehicle types. Moreover, there is the special availability of red-black PVC-coated insulated clamps. These clamps facilitate hassle-free identification. At number 3, we have the TopDC jumper cables 4-gauge 20 feet. The TopDC jumper cables as mentioned above boast good performance and they come with a 5-year warranty. In their manufacturing process, there is the use of CCA, copper-coated aluminum, for convenient electrical conductivity and efficient power transfer. Also, you may find these cables widely used for cars, vans, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, etc. The length of these 4-gauge heavy-duty battery jumper cables is 20 feet. They come with the tangle-free design. These PVC insulated cables stay flexible at 40F40C to 167F75C. There are sturdy clamps jaw designed for side as well as the top post. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics jumper cable for car battery. In this Amazon Basics jumper cable for car battery, you will find the heavy-duty alligator clamps. These clamps come with a tight grip and a 300A rating. For effortless positioning, this cable comes with a strong spring and comfortable handle. In its making process, the brand used 4-gauge copper-clad aluminum. It is this cable that proves useful for jump-starting a dead or weak battery. You may sew it in your mid-size cars, full-size cars, large-size SUVs, and vans. And finally at number 1, we have the Cartman booster cable 4-gauge X20FT. Whenever your car or truck requires a boost, the Cartman extra heavy-duty booster cables prove to be very useful. They are the safest way to allocate power from a 12/24V automotive battery. Moreover, the corresponding tangle-free cables possess T-prene coating. This coating conveys high flexibility and convenient storage. Furthermore, the design depicts a special clamps with triple polarity identification. Being color-coded, there will be no hassle while identifying. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.